Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Sorry for the loud music in the background, but I'm actually shooting this video at the Ciara hotel in Palm Springs because I am here at Coachella. So yeah, super exciting. I am basically filming a get ready with me, so hence why I look like this now, and I'm just in something really cozy. Yeah, so I'm going to get ready for Coachella. It's day 2. I have filmed a look every day. I'm not sure when they're all going to go up, but I'll pop links below if one's already up already for you to look at. I'm also going to pop all the links below to all the products so you can shop them. So my theme today, I've basically got this amazing sequin triple cord from Primark. It's honestly amazing. Do check out my Instagram because I've got pics of it up. It's kind of like a unicorny pink theme, so I thought it would work really well with my new festival jewel called Pastel Dreams, which is this one. Woo! I'm literally loving it. I love the pastel colours. It's got such a unicorn vibe to it. And yes, I'm going to be wearing this today, and also my mystical body jewel, which is this one here, which I literally love. I've got like a bra top, so I thought this would look super cute in the middle of my chest with a bit of glitter around. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Obviously I would love to chat through this tutorial, but because of the loud music in the background, you know, super annoying, so I'm just gonna put my own music over the top, and I really hope you enjoy watching me get ready for Coachella.
I told you to get out. Didn't mean a word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go ahead. told you to get out.
So guys, I'm ready for day 2 of Coachella. I've literally gone all out today. I'm frigging loving it though. I am so pleased with my new jewel designs, the mystical body jewel and the pastel dreams face jewel. I just love this look. It's so like unicorny, queeny, mermaidy. I'm loving it. Also, this crown is from Aurora Moon Headwear, and this is actually from Primark. Oh my god, I know. It also comes with shorts, which are these, woo, and a jacket. But I'm going to film my outfit at Coachella, so keep watching this video to see the full entire look. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I've popped all the product links below so you can shop them. Do check out my Sophie Hannah Beauty jewels on my website, which is also linked below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
always say